Hi, my name is Curtis Hayes, and I'm here with Lincoln Electric Automation to talk to you about the Python X software. So software is really simple to use. It's just as simple as loading the part. In this case, we have two parts we're going to load. And then we just measure the material, and then we press the start button. Simple as that. These two parts will run continuously, start to finish, without stopping. If you want to dig a little bit deeper into some maybe more familiar screens that you might be used to, we have our traditional 2D part view, which we can pan and zoom. We also have a 3D part view, and we can always dig in a little bit deeper to some of the points that are going on in this material. One of the new features we've added is the nesting. So these two parts will process start to finish without stopping. If we try something a little bit different, you can see here I have a small piece of HSS with two miters. I'm going to add some repetitions to this. So this is the unoptimized nesting view here, but I can go into job setup, I can click nesting, and you can see that the parts will automatically rotate so that we'll optimize the material usage with minimal drop in between. It's a great new feature. It's going to save you guys a lot of money, save you guys a lot of time.